Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this little watering can I got from Hobby Lobby and wooden roses from Dollar Tree. I also got these bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree. I painted 8 of them, but only ended up using 6 of them. And I painted just about 6 inches from the top towards the middle with moss color chalk paint by Waverly. Once I had those dry, on the tips of them, I put some hot glue and then placed the wooden roses right on top of them. They have a little hole in the bottom of the wooden rose, and the skewers just slide right in. So I made 6 of those. 3 of them I painted with blush pink chalk paint by Folkart, and 3 of them I painted with sage color chalk paint by Folkart. I then took the watering can I got from Hobby Lobby. You can sometimes find them at Dollar Tree. They're about the same size. I painted that with Ivory color chalk paint, and that is by Waverly. On the second coat, I used a sponge to apply it. It just gives it better coverage, and you won't get those paintbrush streaks. It was starting to peel a little, so I just applied a layer of Mod Podge to every part that I had painted. Once that was completely dry, I took the stamps I got from Dollar Tree. I removed one of the little flowers and placed it on a stamp block that is also from Dollar Tree. I then put some ink on that and just wiped off the excess around the stamp. Placed it on the watering can and then just gently rolled that to get the image on there. I then added some hot glue inside the watering can and added floral foam. Use some Fisker shears to cut down the skewers, just different lengths so they fit in there at different heights. I added some stones to the top of the floral foam and then just placed down the skewers into the foam. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.